Hi everyone! It's been a hot minute, huh Leo, since we posted on our account. Oh, it's a little baby. But we just wanted to get on and say hi. And hello baby. Oh, thank you. Yes, it's a baby. Anyway, it's been a minute since we have posted anything on our account, and so I just wanted to say hi and thank you for your continued love and support of this account. Leo's a blast, and we love posting about him, and so things have just been extra busy. Sorry, things have just been a little extra busy lately, and so we haven't been posting as much, but we sure do love you guys and appreciate your support. Hello. So thank you for all that you continue to do for this account. Hopefully things will calm down so that we can post again soon. I'm sure they will. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.